Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch off your Google Pixel 8 Pro. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. You actually have two different methods to power down your device, and I'll walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever one feels more convenient for you. Let's start with the first method. Begin by swiping downwards from the very top of your screen where your notifications and quick settings are located. This will pull down your notification shade and reveal various controls and options. Once you've swiped down, look carefully at the available icons and you'll notice a power button icon among them. This is a quick access button that gives you control over your device's power options without needing to use any physical buttons. Go ahead and tap on this power button icon. After tapping it, you'll see a menu appear with a few different options. From this menu, simply tap power off and your phone will begin shutting down. This method is particularly useful when you want to avoid using physical buttons or if your power button isn't easily accessible at the moment. Now let me show you the second method, which uses the physical buttons on your device. For this approach, you'll need to simultaneously press and hold two buttons together, the power button and the lower volume button. Make sure you're holding both buttons at the exact same time and keep them pressed down together. After holding them for a moment, you'll see the power options menu appear on your screen. This menu gives you several choices for managing your device's power state. From the options that appear, tap on power off to shut down your phone completely. And that's it. You now know both methods for switching off your Google Pixel 8 Pro, giving you flexibility depending on your situation or preference. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.